SharePoint List is a flexible tool for storing and sharing data within your internet environment. These lists can be extensively customized to serve the exact needs for your use case and store a wide variety of data formats. In some ways, they are similar to a database or a spreadsheet, but they are optimized for easy collaboration and automation. Although their main purpose in life is to be an interactive online tool, sometimes you might want to store them on your computer, either for safekeeping, backup purposes, or to create snapshots of the list progress over time for project tracking. No matter what your intentions are, there is a feature called Export List to Excel that can help you. Here is how to do it. In modern SharePoint, open the list that you want to export and in the command bar select Export Excel Workbook. In SharePoint Server, select the List tab on the ribbon and then select Export to Excel. Download the file and then open it. You will be prompted to select the format in which to view your data. Click OK to confirm. Please keep in mind that at this point, the data in your Excel is still connected to the SharePoint server. You are viewing data that has been fetched from the remote storage. If you want to create an independent copy that is localized on your computer, you must break the server connection by clicking on the Data tab and selecting Connections. In the pop-up window, click Remove. Confirm your action, close the pop-up, and save your file. You have now created an independent data export of your SharePoint list.